Yo, bro, I think I had too much Hennessy, man. This Hennessy getting to me. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little smashed. I'm a little dressed. But we in the club, man. Oh. Yeah, they hate, but they broke, though. And when it's time to pop, they have no show. Yeah, I'm pretty, but I'm loco. The loud got me moving slow-mo. Hey, yo, Tweety, where the hoes, bro? Hey, yo, Keys, where the hoes, though? That other nigga, he a bozo. It's a mayor, you don't know. We got liquor by the boatload. Disrespect the life, that's a no-no.
Okay. These men are about to perform. They're just getting into place. So, a couple of my niggas are coming. What's his name? Obi, Denzel, another three niggas. Doesn't matter. About to have a ball, nigga. Yeah. Or is it a different version? Oh.
Ain't no love in my arms. Sent the text that said I miss you. It's a typo, I'm drunk. Still that same motherfucker for that life for car one. Only difference I'm strong and better for when I begun.
Big bogey, big bogey, little bogey.
Say fuck the numbers and say fuck you too. Fuck the numbers and fuck you too.
Yeah, look, all the time that I grind it on, I'm just trying to stack these funds. There's no love in it, bro, my treasure. I bet if you ask me, he's lacking duds. There's no time to be like this lunch roll one, now mix that pop with runs. I can't wait till the ass and touch. I need all white paint with a guts that blood. Captain Crunch, if he's beating me, don't let change right here, cause right, no scrap on front. Yeah, like NC who? NC what? Better call that bluff. I'm still trying to hold that grudge. Yeah, right in my waist, I can't see you while you walk away. You can't just look at me, tell me the love is moving out, but I'm feeling away. All that best to feel on grace. Look at your face, see how you say. We asking much to leave from now. I was you finishing, you weren't face. I do this for my dogs in a uniform to keep down, and you don't know how to use the door. Know the story, still never saying the course to get one in the head like a unicorn. My life on the line each day, each day. First month, nigga, we spray this boy, you can't evade. Young boy, keep it, you get in the back of my face, can't take him. Trying to get him out the base when I kill these, gotta make sure they trace this dangerous. Nigga, just blanking and scream, my God, the pepper is like what makes you crazy. Look, dropping the top, we riding in chariots. Roll up another, it's like it's serious. Bad bitches in love, but I'll never marry them. Bought another shit and my necklace turns to aquarium.
I say, yo, I've been at shit in the forest and a crack on my lonely nights. Gave my bro advice, I used to hate to be an only child. I don't like surprise, teach a lesson, make me show and tell. Pray I never go to jail, 3 my niggas missing bail. Shit is going one of my people, I can't hesitate. I know there's a God, the way I speak, that's only heaven made. Step around yours, feel like I levitate. Swagging all these beats, I'm not in off, I promise we the only meds I take. Shut up, on time, shut up, Virgo. Shut up, Elevate, shut up, fucking numbers. We in this bitch right there, see how fucking well. $300 showtime, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to everybody for coming out, shout out to God, you know what I'm saying? We in this bitch, man. Never like the industry. Fuck with me, I'm feeling me.
Yeah, don't worry.
So tomorrow when I come in, I will remind you.
He's just real hyper.
Oh, chill.
They're out here in Union Station giving out non-alcoholic drink. Real life, whole time, there's alcohol in it. What if it's a kid that walks past and they grab it and now they're drinking alcohol? Make sure you watch your kids getting their Halloween candy because you might just die. Hold on. It's a goddamn dinosaur over there. What do you want to say to that dinosaur? What's your message for the dinosaur?
Don't eat me. I'm your biggest fan. Don't eat. Goku.
Ultra Instinct drink. Yo, I'm nerding out today. They got apple flavor, peach flavor. That's Super Saiyan Rose melon flavor. Yeah, that's racist.
So this is like.
Yo, get Ultraman.
I don't know who the hell Ultraman is. Why they got Goku black? Why they got Goku black with the melon flavor? That's racist. Right, G? Let me just pretend like I'm recording myself. And then get there. Oh, other side. It's a goddamn dinosaur. God damn it. Jay, taste test. Hurry up and open it. What does it smell like? What does it smell like? What does it smell like?
PU. That's what it smells like.
What does it taste like? Look at the. Does it taste good? That's the alternate universe Harley Quinn, you know? Okay. Teja, allow me to try it, my cousin?
0.5% alcohol, and they gave it out at Union Station, so I'm waiting. Is it on? Oh, it is. You can just see it, that's why.
Repeat my phrase since Teja interrupted me.
Sorry.
Bottoms up.
Gross, right? Don't drink beer. Don't drink.
They're serious on this Lego thing, listen.
I wish we could like
If I could, I would buy all of that. Just go over there tweaking. It's that damn Mandalorian guy.
Where you guys going?
Jade, move your big head. Alright, up a little bit. Alright. Now put your arms straight up. And now just go. Wait, move your arms around. Move faster than that. Not both of them. Alright, you lost. Holy, original Molly. That's crazy. I didn't even know the show like that, but that's crazy. It's probably about $569.79, nigga, but it's worth it.
Oh, look at Harley Quinn. She just had no pants.
Oh yeah. That's the Harley Quinn we like. I got it, nigga. They got the whole Black Ops 6 booth. Oh my god. I'm sorry. They have a Black Ops 6 booth. I had to come. The game's about to come out. Shut your lame ass up. I have to see.
Now he's smiling. Oh, be nice here, brother. He's happy.
Looks like a dung beetle in a human form.
Yay!
Do it again.
So I have a question. Do you get like a skin, or do you just get a photo? And
It's like a video thing. Maybe they take that video and put me in the game. drinks?
Yeah, like a 40 weekend right now. I'm excited. I ain't even know that.
Lit.
Any weekend off is lit, bro.
Yeah, maybe a little bit taller than me. Maybe. Nah. Yeah. Say hi. Introduce yourself. Because they gotta see you. What are you talking about?
Hi guys, Emily's in the building. I'm here. Kayla didn't avoid me this time. I'm the shit. Put the brightness of her phone.
There's no brightness. She avoided me every single time. I swear to God. She avoided me every time.
Follow me on Instagram, guys. Self promo. Okay, we have to go in the front.
Alright. You show me around.
We have to go up here.
Last year was your first time meeting me, and I put you on the spot. True. But I'm gonna put you on the spot again. You think Kevin got moves? No.
I'm working.
Yeah, no, you're not working right now. I am.
Who's Kevin?
What? Hey, come on, hey, come on. Hold on.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Shout out my family, but today we're here with Emily, right? It's not about my family, it's about Emily dodging me every single time, you know?
This guy, he dodged me last time.
No.
I told him, no, guys. I told him that I was at ice cream. This guy says he's at ice cream, but it's not ice cream. He's talking about he's at the exit. I went to the exit, the guy's gone. He's texting me, oh, I left.
Yeah.
Anyways, like I said, guys, follow me on Instagram.
You wanna show them it properly?
Yes. That's my Instagram. Follow, like, comment, share.
I gotta mention. Where's Faye? Tell them where you're from.
Huh?
Tell them your background.
I'm East African, guys.
Just East African? Yeah.
Uganda and Tanzania, guys.
She's not Jamaican.
I'm a Jamaican.
You're a Jamaican?
I'm a Jamaican.
I was just in this nasty.
Her beat is like a bunny.
And if I ever tell you about shit, what I say? Sing it to me, say. Hey, bird.
Right now you're tweaking.
I'm taking over because Kayla sucks.
We finally got out the fucking mess. Cause she wanted to stand right at the front.
Okay, so just stand in the back of the boring. No, it's fine. It's fine. Got water?
I don't know, what do they say?
This is shit. Ice. They have water too.
They got water shit, ice? Is that not just ice? I got something to say. This girl she bought something for $195 fucking dollars.
No, it was actually $892. I didn't buy it that yo. I didn't buy it.
800, I meant 800.
I didn't buy it. I didn't buy it.
What is it? Tell me no. Tell me. Let me know what it is.
I'll tell you when I get it.
I'm leaving the Afro-Carribean Festival.
So fucking early.
It's not my choice, alright? But everybody say bye to Emily.
Right here.
We're going more.
Nice.
But the people invited us
Are we
here.
supposed to secure like
Aren't
two
even here.
tables? Maybe we should secure some tables, some seats.
I'm telling you, Caribbean people can't be trusted for nothing, bro. as ever. About to start. I ain't a bowling pro, but you know, try your hardest in everything in life, and eventually you'll make it. Shot your head. Guess which one of those names is me? Why did they cut the name off, bro? You ready? I don't care. Go ahead. Goddamn! Second chance shit.
I don't want to play anymore.
I can't lift anything.
You in the way. Well, they're trying their best. That's all that matters, right? It's not as easy as it looks. Listen, they cheating. They come here every week. All of them. They cheating. I don't want to play with you no more. Y'all cheating.
I want some.
See no sweater? See no sweater? See no sweater? I'm not playing anymore. Ready? Watch it. Ready? Damn it. Alright, ready? Watch. It's... No. There's one left. Don't zoom into the sport. On me. Get it on me.
Wasn't for this music, I'd probably be dead. Instead, I'm on top and I'm counting this bread. Sitting in the mansion, could have been in the feds. Drop top, even with a price in my head. Whoa, there's no roof so they can see me shot. No roof so they can see me shot.
I've been stuck at 8 since I got the first 8. What am I supposed to do? I don't want to play no more, bro. There's too much room. I missed every single one except 2. So that means I'm not bad. I don't go bowling every week, Charles. I got a strike. I didn't record it. All my cameras are dead, so I forgot. I got a strike. I forgot all my cameras are dead. What do you mean she got a strike? I don't want to play this shit, Khalil. Look how many times I missed. If I didn't miss all of that, I would have been at least second, probably first. But nah, I folded. Fold under pressure, of course. Next time, don't worry, we're gonna do this again. Next time, what's the nigga who's pro at this? Michael Phelps, fucking Tiger Woods, whatever that nigga's name is, I'm gonna be him. Don't worry. But until then, my nigga, Listen, why are you even looking at me? You're not my cousin anymore. Oh man, oh man. What do you want? Make me pull your dreads out, kid.
Back up again.
Mercy. Oi. Jeez, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Keep coming, keep it coming, yeah. It's a car. Be careful. Jesus, Aisha, I'm about to floor it. I'm about to floor it. Oh my goodness, I'm about to floor it. Jade, how you feeling?
I don't like you.
I said how you feeling, not how you feel about me. For sure, for sure. Surdy, surdy, surdy. Wee. Okay, who said 2 turns?
Never like the industry. Fuck with me, I'm feeling me.
His Henny got me, it got me sauce. His Henny got me, ooh, it got me sauce. I could never lose, what you thought? And May got it on lock, man, of course. Ooh. Ooh.